Now, more news coming in from Chennai. With the increasing number of coronavirus cases in Chennai, talks are on to shift major markets like Coimbatore. The Coimbatore market is one of the largest wholesale markets in Chennai for fruits and vegetables and flowers. After the central team inspection just yesterday, talks are now on to currently split the market into three and move them to three different designated areas to prevent any crowding in one area. This is Coimbatore, one of the most popular markets in Chennai, which the government is now mulling over dividing into three, moving it to different destinations so that people are also scattered. They don't have to huddle up in one market and violate social distancing norms. Shalini, back to you. Coimbatore market is now going to be divided and shifted. It's quite an iconic market there. What more do we know with regards to it being moved to different destinations now?
Well, Nabila, that's information just pouring in of the Coimbatore market, of the possibility of the Coimbatore market being divided into three. There were talks underway this morning between the Chennai Corporation Commissioner, the central team, as well as the traders, the market association. And, you know, after Chennai crossed the 500 marker of the corona cases, it is indeed a matter of concern on how exactly do we deal with one of the largest wholesale markets we have. India Today went to Coimbatore market even yesterday, and yes, there is a decrease in the number of crowds that used to gather there, but still there are a lot of laborers coming in. There are trucks coming in from across the country to unload fruits and vegetables that reach the Coimbatore market. From there, the wholesalers go there, collect the essentials that they need and move about. So what they're trying to do is decrease the number of people that meet up in the Coimbatore market as well, and how they can work with a lesser workforce. They tried to identify three areas around Chennai where this market can be split into three and work out for the three designated areas.
Right.
There's going to be another round of talks tomorrow as well with the market association so that they can chart down which three areas in Chennai can be used to serve
Absolutely. This is a great decision indeed, quite a welcome move. Also ensuring essential supplies is given in adequate supplies and also ensuring distance is maintained. Thank you, Shalini, for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.